All right, so on this one, it's a word problem. So first we got to write down the equation, and then we can solve it for what they're talking about. So it talks about a flower garden is made up of a square and an isosceles triangle. Good thing they gave us a picture, right? And then use the formula for perimeter to write a formula for the side length of the square in terms of the perimeter. Well, let's just start with perimeter. You know the formula for perimeter? It's P equals, and is it hard to see that red? Let's use blue. So P equals, and we're going to add up all these sides over here. So we have an X on this side. I don't know if you can read it. And an X there, and an X on the bottom still. Over here you have 7/8 X. Okay, and over here you have 7/8 X. Because that's why they have to say it's an isosceles triangle, because those two sides match. So anyway, I can add up all the sides. We have 7/8 X plus another 7/8 X. And then there's three sides that are X. So plus X plus X plus X. So how do you add like terms? Well, we're going to add up all the coefficients. So we got one here and one there and one there. So to add up all the coefficients, you got 7/8 plus 7/8 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Well, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Plus 7/8 is 3 and 7/8. And then, yeah, how do you add 3 and 7/8 plus 7/8? How about we change all these into 8/8? Because 1 whole is the same as 8/8. Will that make it easier? So now they all have the same denominator, and I can add the tops. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7. 8, 16, 24, 31, 38. So I end up with 38/8 X. That's my perimeter. Now, what does X represent? X is how long the side of the square was. This X over here. And so that's what we're solving for. So to solve this for X, first I get rid of the fraction by multiplying by the denominator. That's this 8. You can do 8/1 if you want. And these cancel. And then 8 times P is 8P equals 38X. Now, let's go ahead and make that a little smaller, move it up to the corner so I can get a little more room for scratch work. So to finish this off, I'm going to go ahead and divide by the coefficient of X, because I want the X by itself. So if I divide by 38, that'll get rid of this 38 over here. But it shows up over here as divided by 38 also. And I end up with 8P over 38 equals X. Of course, 8 and 38 are even, so we could simplify it. So instead of writing, if we divide them both by 2, divide that one by 2, divide that one by 2, and you get X equals 4/19 P. Or you can put the P up top with the 4. But either way, there's going to be a 4 on the top and a 19 on the bottom. And the P can either be on the side or can be up top with the 4, like that. Right now I have it on the side, but it could go up the top of the 4 if you want it.
So. Can it go on bottom of 19 or
no? No, because then it would be divided by. So okay. That'd be bad. Okie dokie.